John's upset because I didn't bring him Chick-fil-A. But John never plays Fortnite with me anymore, so it's okay. So now we're even. They're building a really cool FTS kit today, 12-inch all red FTS. Getting some all red 26 JTXs. Super fire, super excited for that one. Had to come back quickly from Miami for this one. They'd already started the build yesterday. It's Tuesday currently, so we're gonna catch the end of the build. There's still a lot to be done though, I think. We did make it in time. Hit 95K the other day, or yesterday, on YouTube. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Road to 100K. Let's get the spread. Enjoy the video.
Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing to see slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas trip tonight. My
Chevy outside is getting a set of 2614. I don't even know what cut JTX this wheel is, I'm not even gonna lie, but it's all red and I absolutely love the color. The 2614 concave almost looks like a Trident. The all red to match the lift kit's freaking beautiful. And your 42, 50, 50, 26 Toyota, can't get wrong knit over Toyota, absolutely. The all red 12-inch 42s, it's a 14 wide, so you can get away with it. If you're doing 16 wide on a 12 inch and 40s, normally you got to do a pretty decent amount of cutting. But a 14 wide on a 42, you can probably get away with it. And the Toyos are true to size, so all the Nittos and Toyos are going to be a true 42 inch. He does have a set of KG1s over here that just came in. 26 inch. Black and milled jacked, which is super nice. These are going to go on a Denali in the next couple of days as well. These 2614? No, they're not. I like these a lot, I really do. The red's beautiful.
I just run it up before I go. Would you tell the world my secrets if I let you close? Feel my age, you send it like sun. These days go through my age. Let's be plastic.
Where's Boy? Bro, you don't need a straw.
John's taking forever to finish up this truck behind us. So I'm gonna give you guys a little update on the bow tie that you guys will see later in the video. Finally taking the old bow tie over here to get the transmission swapped out. Before they'll warranty out the transmission, I have to get the transmission pan taken off and send them pictures of the pan or the transmission or whatever it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drop the truck off with Vandy, let him do that, swap all the fluids. We can reuse the fluids if we need to later on when the new transmission comes in. So me and John are gonna go after he gets off work today. Hopefully this truck will be on the ground, so we'll be able to see this truck done today before we leave. And then we're gonna take this down to Vandy's shop so he can do that and then ultimately get the transmission shipped out. And hopefully that will be here next week. So we do get to drive the bow tie today. It's about a 20-30 minute drive, nothing too crazy. I did take it to lunch, runs good, sounds good. It just doesn't shift very well at the moment, which kind of sucks. So definitely excited to go ahead and get the trans swapped out so I can finally drive it a little bit and maybe take it to a show or two at the end of the year or first of next year. But for those are the OGs on the channel that want a little OG bow tie update, there you go. That's what we're dealing with today.
Why do you always take the stickers off?
Blowing who's back out?
Because
we get the chance. Alex will put this in the video and it'll reach her.
Ooh, the polished back?
Yeah, but the windows.
Oh, what the?
The windows should have been polished.
Do what?
The windows should have been polished. It would have made this wheel look 10 times better if these were polished.
I don't think you'd be able to see it.
I didn't even, because they were leaned up on the wall over there, I couldn't even tell that the backs were polished. I thought it was, they should have did it all red. I don't know why they left the inside polished in my opinion.
That's what he wanted. Because they did the wheel backwards at first. You know, they did these wrong. They did the back all red, and then the front, all this was polished, and he didn't want it. So they had to remake it.
I have faith. I have faith. I think it's going to look good.
I think you should have worn some KG1.
Hey. The black and red does look good together though. I'm not gonna lie. Black and red looks great.
Now you gotta go up.
Look, John is slow. John didn't finish the truck today. It's still inside. So we gotta finish. Can't No, it's not finished.
It's not finished, buddy.
Traction bars on it?
Can you do that?
Look, so we're gonna come back tomorrow and show you guys the finished build. But first, me and John have to go drop my, look, I need to be nice to John. Can I buy you dinner then? He's like, of course you're buying me fucking dinner. Me and John are gonna go drop the bow tie off so we can get the transmission swap finally. He doesn't know it yet, but we're going to Chick-fil-A, so. Isn't that right, John? Yeah, he doesn't know it yet, but we're going to Chick-fil-A, so. I'm gonna buy him Chick-fil-A. He's gonna ride with me so he can bring me back to the shop. And then something that you guys don't know about, but I'm gonna tell you now, well, kind of tell you now. Something that you guys will see later on the channel is getting a deposit today, okay? I have some cash here. I don't talk about stuff like this on the channel very much, but in a very, very, very short time, something will be on the channel which is just, I can't even describe how it makes me feel, right? And it's not a new truck, right? Duramax is coming, but this isn't it. This deposit is for something for me, specifically me, and something that I've been dreaming about for almost a decade now. So you guys need to subscribe. We're at 95.5 right now, 95,500 at the moment of filming this, maybe a little bit over, a couple over. You guys need to subscribe and get me to 100K so we can see this, okay? Let's get this bread. Can we just appreciate how the bow tie looks in the sunlight? I absolutely love the red in the sunlight. 9-inch lift, 2414s, 375s. At some point, I think I want to go to 12-inch and 26s or 28s. Definitely not doing that anytime soon, but I don't have the bow tie on the channel as much as I would like anymore. But for obvious reasons, the transmissions keep having issues. I put a new transmission in it a couple months ago, 6 months ago probably, maybe 8 months, something like that. And it's already having issues, so I got to get it warrantied out. But that's why we were dropping it off. So next time you guys see the bow tie on the channel, we'll be picking it up to take it to the tuner, so we can get the tune redone and drive it again. So next time you guys see it on the channel, hopefully it'll be fixed.
Hello. Hello. That's your girl. Hello. What's this? What's that? Huh? What's that? What's that?
It's always a good thing when you see the truck at Vandy shop. What? Because you know that it's getting fixed, you know?
Let's go.
Next time you guys see the truck on the channel, hopefully the transmission will be fixed. Shout out to Vandy because he's the best, and Dalton. On today's episode of What Hoopty is Alex driving this week, got a little Ram 1500, ain't mad at it. I showed up this morning because I thought John would have the truck done, but he's slow as f***ing wait, do that again, mate. Absolutely not. I gotta go pick up a set of 28s for a customer and take them to a powder coater. So got my little pickup truck today. Take the old Ram over there, pick up some 28s and drop them off at the powder coater. And then we're gonna come back so we can see this truck get done. I had to leave town before the black and red FTS kit was finished. Jake sent me some clips of the truck so we can show you guys the finished product. We did get to see him trim the truck, which is nice, but I think the truck turned out really good. The black truck with the red lift kit. I think the wheel should have been all red. The polish just kind of stands out randomly, but the lift kit does have a polished accent on it. The FTS logos on the front crossmember and the rear traction bars have a mirrored backing plate to it, so it does kind of match the inside lip of the wheels. I think the truck turned out absolutely beautiful. I believe the guy was from North Carolina, so maybe the guy's an NC State fan. We can only hope, you know. What we have for lunch today, John?
Oh, chicken
run. It does look good because you did the lift kit. Is that why? They finished up a 2024 Denali dually on some 26-inch KG1s and some Furies today. Since I didn't get a chance to film the black and red one before it's done, we're gonna make sure to film this one before me and John go drop my transmission off.
It's definitely gonna look different.
I'm gonna say it again. John don't know it yet, but we're going to Chick-fil-A for dinner. He don't know it yet.
Brandon already took his.
Where are y'all going?
He put on his truck. What? Let's go look at the truck, guys! How about film something?
John's so aggressive, bro.
What the f are you doing?
John gets so mad about everything all the time. John, why are you so mad, brother? I really thought that was a potato. Potato in the back of his.
Go deep. No, I ain't catching that.
Oh my gosh. Thing got some weight to it.
Exactly.
What is this going on over here?
Why did you got it? That was almost deadly.
That rock's got some weight to it, huh?
John? No, don't throw it at me. Hey, let me see it. No. I'm not gonna throw it. I'm not gonna throw it at you. Oh, you're gonna have to walk this, son. Accuracy, buddy. Breaking shit here, dude. What the? Broke the rock.
Before we leave for the night, I want to show you all the finished product. 2024 Denali dually with the 26-inch KG1 jack, black and milled. Absolutely love the jack. Jack's one of my favorite cuts. Got the big dually center cap with the black spikes. 37-inch Furies and a John to go with it. I think if I was going to build a dually, this is probably what I would build, to be honest with you. Little 5-inch Cognito or 5-inch McGaughy's now. McGaughy's has their new 4 to 6-inch kit available with the 26s, 37. Didn't even have to be cut that much, which is super nice. A little bit of trimming in the front. Didn't even have to trim in the back. How amazing is that? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Y'all messing with the dually or not? I think it looks so good. I need a dually. Gotta be the hot country though. I need me one of these. Ooh. I just got imagine you don't come at enough power and then
Hey, you gotta pick it up, look.
That's your truck?
Great job, boys. What?
That's yours?
No.
Oh.
It's a rental.
What to say? Chevy guy.
Yeah, it's a Ford and it's hybrid. Like, what the hell is that? Move! Out of the way of the camera. Eat! What the f are you doing? I'll pick it up. Here, come on. Team effort, team effort. Can't mess my back up real well. Back, what are you doing? John, what the hell are you doing? Push that thing in there. Oh, that's on camera? Yeah. Imagine destroy the window? Cut that out. Yeah. No, keep it in. No. Nobody knows. John.
Bro, what are y'all doing?
Zach broke it. Trying to get this window back.
Zach broke it.
Window's off track.
Zach broke it. If those ain't some words I ain't ever said before. Zach broke it. Man, calls out of work yesterday.
Do it again.
Breaking stuff.
Come back, Zach.
Come back, Zach. Do it again, John. No way, Jose. On the case over here.
No way, Jose. Oh, Jose's got to go back down.
I'm surprised this box still rolling around. To be honest with you. How's this thing still on the road?
A lot of maintenance, a lot of ball joints, a lot of wheel bearings, a lot of Furies.
A lot of wheel bearings.
still do. No squeak too.
Them things still float though.
They do still float.
I ain't mad at it. On today's episode of What Hoopty is Alex in today? First of all, it's a Ford, trash. Second of all, it's a hybrid Ford, double trash. Hello. Hi. Here's such a good girl, huh? We did drop off the transmission though. No more transmission. The real next time we come back over here, something should be done and the truck should be almost fixed. That'll be sometime later next week. Today's Tuesday, so sometime later next week. What? Ooh, shiny.
Used, spray painted.
Probably. It's got a great warranty, so I ain't mad at it. We probably did break that bottle of fluid though.
Where? Oh. Oh well.
Oh well.
No.
Nah, it's fine.
Stinks too.
Nice and good. Look at those ears. Hello. Goodbye. No? What are you doing? We're gonna have a moment and you ruined it. I got a week before anything really happens with this, so I need y'all to let me know in the comments. Do I put a bigger stall in it, or do I leave it how it is and just upgrade the converter, or do I just throw this one back in how it is and maybe have issues in a couple thousand miles? Let me know what you guys think in the comments. I love y'all. Let's get this bread.
That's what I'm talking about.